Hello students, today we are going to see a problem based on differential equation of type 2. It will be like when RHS is of the form cos AX or sin AX. So I've taken a problem, solve d square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to cos 4x cos x. So first I have to solve the auxiliary, I have to find the auxiliary equation. So what is my auxiliary equation? You have to replace d by m in the left hand side. So m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So I have to solve this equation. So m square will be having the coefficient as 1. So we have to find, that is we have to multiply 1 times 2, it will be 2. And what is the m coefficient? It is negative 3. So you have to find two values, and when you add these two values you have to find the value of negative 3, and when you multiply these two values you have to get the value as 2. So I am taking 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is positive 2, but 1 plus 2 is not negative 3. So I have to take negative 1, negative 2. So both, if both are negative, then if I add I'll be getting the negative value, and if I multiply I'll be getting positive value. So my roots are negative 1 and negative 2. So after finding this I have to write m minus 1, m minus 2 equal to 0. And after this I have to solve m minus 1 equal to 0 and m minus 2 equal to 0. So what is the value? M equal to 1 and m equal to 2. See here I have got two unequal roots. That is unequal roots. What is my complementary function? Y equal to a e power x plus b e power 2x. Okay, now I have to go with particular integral after finding this. Now, what is a particular integral? It is y equal to, I have to take this equation d square minus 3d plus 2 to the right hand side. So, d square minus 3d plus 2 into cos 4x cos x. Okay, so see here we are having two functions, cos 4x and cos x. So we can't apply the value directly. The a value is 4 here, and for this a value is 1. There are different kinds of a value. So we can't apply in the d square value. So we have to solve this. So you all know cos a cos b formula. So we have to have the 2 in the front of this formula. So it will be like cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Okay, so I am not writing this 2 here, I am bringing this 2 in the left hand side. See here, depending on this formula I am not having this 2 here, so I have to multiply and divide by 2. So then my equation will become d square minus 3d plus 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 times cos 4x cos x. Okay, so now this 2, 1 by 2 is a constant, I am taking to the front, minus, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into 2 cos 4x cos x. Okay, now we have to solve. So applying in the formula, I'll be getting y equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into, what is cos? Just now I told you the formula, cos a plus b cos plus cos a minus b. So my a, one a is 4 and the other a is 1. So cos a is 4, b is 1. Okay, according to this formula. So I'll be getting cos 5x plus cos 3x. When applying in the formula, a plus b is 5, a minus b is 3. So now after solving this, I can split this. So 1 by 2 into 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into cos 5x. See here we are having two terms, so in the plus is in the middle. So I can write plus 1 by 2 into 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into cos 3x. So we are having, see this is this is your particular integral 1 and this is particular integral 2. Okay, we have to find these two and then we have to apply in the last value y. So I'm going to take particular integral 1. What is it? Half into 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into cos 5x. Okay, so what it will be, I'll be doing half into, see this, my a is 5 here. What is my a? It is 5. I have to find a square, so it will be 225. Okay, and according to this format we have to apply minus a square, so my answer is minus 25. So wherever I am having d square, I have to apply negative a square. So now what is the answer? 1 by, apply here d square, instead of d square, negative 25 minus 3d plus 2 into cos 5x. Okay, so now just solve this. What will happen? 1 by 2 into 1 by minus 25 plus 2 gives you what? Gives you minus 23 plus minus 3d into cos 5x. So in the denominator I am taking negative commonly outside. So it will be particular integral 1 is what? Negative 1 by 2 into 1 by 23 plus 3d into cos 5d. After doing this, what will be the, see, after doing this I am having d, only d value. I don't have d square, so I have to bring d square in the denominator to apply the a value again, right? So we have to do the conjugate, multiply by the conjugate. What is the conjugate of 23 plus 2d, sorry, 23 plus 3d? My conjugate is 23 minus 3d. After multiplying with the denominator, I'll be having the formula, this a plus b into a minus b. It will be a square minus b square. So 23 square minus 3d square. It will be in the denominator after applying uh, conjugate. So now negative 1 by 2 into, what is the denominator? 23 minus 3d. What is denominator? 23 square will be 529 minus 3d square, it will be minus 9d square into cos 5d. Now we have to replace d square, instead of d square after again apply minus a square. So I'll be getting minus 1 by 2 into 23 minus 3d over 529 minus 9 into, again my d square is minus a square, it is minus 25 into cos 5x. So what will be there? Minus 1 by 2, just solve. 23 minus 3d over 529, minus into minus is plus, 9 times 25 is 225 into cos 5x. So after this, minus 1 by 2 into 23 minus 3d over, what is this when added? 754 into cos 5x. So just you can, after doing this, you can just do this minus 1 by 2. You can bring this cos 5x to the numerator. Just operate cos 5x to the numerator. So what will be there? It will be like 23 cos 5x minus 3d cos 5x over 754. So now after solving this, minus 1 by 2 into 23 cos 5x minus, what is cos 5x when differentiated? It is negative sine 5x into 5. So that 5 and this 3 when multiplied, we'll be having 15 sine 5x, and this sign 5x will be in the negative sign. So when differentiating, so the symbol will change. My over 5, sorry, 754. So this is your particular integral 1. Now we have to find particular integral 2. So now what is particular integral 2? It is 1 by 2 into 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into cos 3x. Here my a is 3. What is then a square? Negative a square will be negative 9. So wherever you are having d square, you have to apply negative 9. So the answer is particular integral 2. It will be 1 by 2 into 1 by, what is d square? Minus 9. So minus 9 minus 3d plus 2 into cos 3x. So after solving this 1 by 2 into 1 by minus 3d minus 7 into cos 3x is there. So again we can take the negative symbol commonly outside. So the value is what? 1 by 3d plus 7 into cos 3x. So what is the conjugate for this? After multiplying, we'll be having 3d, sorry, write this negative 7 in the front and negative 3d. So just after taking the negative symbol, it will be like 7 plus 3d. Okay, the conjugate for this is 7 minus 3d over, now we have to apply a plus b into a minus b formula. It will be a square minus b square. So we'll be having minus 9d square into cos 3x. Now again we are having 9 d square in the denominator. So we have to write minus 1 by 2 into 7 minus 3d over 49 minus 9 times minus 9. Okay, because our minus 9 is d square value. So cos 3x. Now minus 1 by 2 into, bring this cos to the front, multiply with the numerator. So 7 cos 3x minus 3d cos 3x over 49 plus 81 gives you 130. So my value will be minus 1 by, just you can multiply this 2 with 130. It will be 260 into the value is what? 7 cos 3x plus 9. See here cos 3x. What is cos when differentiated is negative sine 3x into 3. So that 3 and this 3 will be multiplied. So it was 9 sine 3x. So this is your particular integral 2. Now you have to combine every values to get the answer. So here the value will be y equal to complementary function plus particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2. So the answer is what? Y equal to a e power x plus b e power 2x plus 1 by 2 into 23 cos 5x plus 15 sine, this is particular integral 1. Okay, 15 sine 5x over 754 plus, what is particular integral 2? It is negative. So negative 1 by 260 into 7 cos 3x plus 9 sine 3x. That's it. So this negative will cancel this positive value. Okay. So that's it, girls. Thank you, students.